Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to perform the order of operations involving whole numbers. So there is a sequence which we want to follow when we are simplifying any kind of an equation. So the process I want to mention here is called PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. So what we do here is, in any equation, when we want to simplify any equation, we want to simplify the parentheses or open up the parentheses. So that is the P. The parentheses are open, close parentheses like that. There might be some equation inside the parentheses. We want to simplify that first. Then we want to expand the exponents. Exponents they could be x to the power of 2. Those are all exponents. And we want to simplify the exponents or expand the exponents and then be able to simplify the numbers. The third operation we want to perform is perform the multiplication from left of the equation to the right of the equation all the time. And then the other operation we want to perform is the division. We want to perform the division operation from left of the equation to the right of the equation. The next operation we want to perform is the addition. So the addition is going to be performed from left of the equation to the right of the equation. And the last operation we want to perform is the subtraction. And subtraction we want to perform from left of the equation to the right of the equation. So PEMDAS is a easy to remember process to be able to perform the order of operations. So let's take a simple example here and then let us try to understand how to use this PEMDAS process to simplify some of these equations. Let's say we want to simplify 3 plus 2 times 8 plus 3 raised to the power of 2, close parenthesis. Okay. Now, step number one. What I want to do here is I want to write the process down. P-E-M-D-A-S. And then in step number 2, I want to be able to follow the process, call out each one of these procedures, and then be able to simplify them. In here we have open close parentheses, and we have an exponent to simplify. So we're going to simplify the terms inside the exponent first, inside the parentheses first. So the first step would be 3 plus 2 times open parentheses 8 plus, now we want to simplify this exponent 3 to the power of 2. The number of times the base term needs to be repeated is 2 times. That is 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Instead of 3 to the power of 2, we can write 9 like that. Therefore we close parentheses. Now we come back and then simplify it some more. 3 plus 2 times, this time we're going to simplify the numbers inside the parentheses. So 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So we performed the exponents, we performed the parentheses. We want to now perform the multiplication process. So we want to take 2 and multiply it to the 7 first and then add it to 3. So 3 plus 2 times 17 is 34. 2 times 17 is 34. So we perform the multiplication. We do not have division, so we put a cross on top of that. We have addition to perform, so we go to add 3 plus 34. 3 plus 34 is equal to 37. And that is our answer. This is where we want to leave it. And then in here, we perform the addition. We don't have subtraction, so we're going to put a cross across that operation, indicating that we do not have those operations to perform in this particular problem. So when we follow the PEMDAS process, we can very easily arrive at the answer. We can arrive at the correct answer. It is very easy for us to do the wrong steps and then come up with the wrong answer. So let's take another example and then see if we can use this PEMDAS process to solve another simple example. Let's take another example. Let's say we want to simplify. We want to simplify 5 plus open brackets 4 times 10 minus 3 raised to the power of 2 close parenthesis minus 2 close brackets. So that's what we have. So as we said, in step number 1 we'll write down the process the order of operation which we want to perform. The order of operation is PEMDAS. We want to open up the parentheses, open up the exponents, perform the multiplication, division, addition and subtraction as they occur from left of the equation to the right of the equation. So step number 2. So we're going to start to simplify this process. 5 plus open brackets 4 times 10 minus, we have 3 raised to the power of 2. The number of times the base term needs to be repeated is given to us in the exponent. Therefore 3 times 3 is what we want to do. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we replace 3 to the power of 2 by 9, close parenthesis, minus 2, and then close brackets. Now we are ready to simplify the terms inside the parentheses. 5 plus open brackets 4 times 10 minus 9 is 1. We do not put the parentheses anymore, and therefore we're going to write the rest of the equation minus 2 close brackets like that. Now we want to simplify the numbers some more. 5 plus open brackets. We want to simplify all the terms inside the brackets. We want to perform the multiplication process. 4 times 1 is 4 minus 2 close brackets, and now the brackets are as good as parentheses, so therefore we're going to simplify the terms inside the brackets. So we're going to write it out as 5 plus 4 minus 2 is 2, like that. So therefore when we simplify it some more, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So that is our answer. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, and therefore 7 is the simplified form of this given equation. So in here, what did we do? We have opened up the parentheses, we've opened up the exponents, we performed the multiplication. There was no division to perform, there was addition to perform, there was subtraction to perform. So those are all the different parts of that simplification process, the order of operation process, to be able to arrive at that simplified number. This is how we are going to use this PEMDAS process to simplify equations of this format. Thank you for being with me for these presentations. I hope you take value from these presentations. Thank you.